Hey, welcome back to the channel. I am really glad you're here because today I'm headed over to a neighbor's property to do a little bit of tractor work. And I love going over there because this is a 43-acre farm. It's a very private property, and when I'm there I get this very great sense of peace because the old farmhouse dates back to 1773, 3 years before the Declaration of Independence was signed. That's over 250 years ago. That's just amazing to me. At any rate, we're going to bring the tractor over and the wood chipper and the grapple and the bucket because what I've been asked to do is to move some piles of hay that the cows have not eaten and move it into a garden area to create kind of a compost bed. And then there are a bunch of cedar limbs that he cut down, and we're going to run the wood chipper and chip up those cedar limbs and make a mulch bed for the raised bed garden that he has, and that'll keep the weeds down. So let's get ready to go. Sometimes I need to switch back and forth between my grapple and my bucket, so I just take the bucket with me by using my grapple. So we're going to grab that old mashed down uneaten hay from the field, transfer it here to this garden bed, and spread it out. Can we just all pause for just a moment and show our appreciation for the amazing grapple? I mean, this thing really is doing a great job just grabbing this hay. It's way better than trying to scoop it with the bucket. So happy with the grapple. Well, I moved a bunch of hay out of the pasture and I piled up about 12 inches in that garden area, so that's about the most we can do there. So let's get that wood chipper going. The cedar is so stringy, and because it's green, the limbs are like springs, and other woods tend to snap the smaller limbs off when they go through the chipper, but the cedar is so springy that it just doesn't break the limbs off and it gets hung up. Very difficult to chip compared with other woods. this big mama. If you're not careful and you grab a limb that's kind of twisted, you feed it into that chute, and once it grabs onto it, it'll tend to twist it around and it can smack you or hit you in the face. Ask me how I know. Here's a big one. Here goes nothing. Well, as I've said before, that chipper is one of, if not my favorite, attachment for the tractor. This rake is my second least favorite tool, shovel being my least favorite. Anyway, productive day. Thanks for watching.